Hey guys, welcome to Techno Savior. So finally, I got a MacBook. Well, this is pretty exciting for me because I'm doing the unboxing for the first time, and here is my son Reyansh. He's pretty excited. Damn too happy. Has no idea what's going on. Well, well, these are the AirPods that also I got with the MacBook. Anyways, I didn't have any AirPods, so thought of getting a new one. This is the first time even I am looking at an AirPod, and it's very nice of him. The cute gesture that he made by giving me the AirPod, right? It just melts your heart. One thing for sure is that these AirPods are awesome. I've been using it for quite a lot of time, and this voiceover is in the AirPods. It's time to unbox the MacBook. He's more interested in the paper. So let's open the MacBook. Now again, I'm interested in its cover, not the MacBook itself. Oh, apple. Now he wants to eat the apple. No idea how to open it. Yeah, so finally unboxed my first ever MacBook. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this unboxing attempt by Reyansh. Thank you again, and stay tuned. We'll be uploading more videos quite soon.